Hey everybody, that's what I done last week. I was telling you guys I've done some boxes, flower boxes, cedar boxes. These are sold. We'll break them. I gotta put some holes in the bottom of them. The lighting's not very good, I apologize. Try to get around where you can see it. These are made out of fence pickets. DIY Lemma made some. Sort of similar. I thought I'd share what I made. I get the tape measure here and show you what they are. The overall 16 inches by 16 inches, and then the depth you got 10 and 5/8 in the depth, so you could actually put some rocks or whatever in the bottom and then finish filling it up with dirt, or you can fill it all with dirt, or you can just set your pot down in it. I've seen that done several times. But that's those. That one, he's a kind of a lonely child. He got made out of different material, but he's the same thing, same size. So today I got all this in here. I got an order for like 10 or 12 birdhouses. So that's what I'm going to do today. So I will show a video later on. Thanks everybody. Like and subscribe please.